Ah yes, what a beautiful day to unbox a million billion things.
What can I say? You know I like to shop.
Dun 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 ta-da! Oh God.
What's up, angels? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing everything I bought this year.
Look at how beautiful the box is. Oh my gosh. Oh, and the matching bag. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, look at how gorgeous these are. Oh my goodness. Oh, you like them, baby? Look at the beautiful painted detailing on them. These are so beautiful. And look at this. Literally brand new. I don't think these have literally ever been worn. Bangin'. Like, look at the design on the heel. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Cute little gold buckles on them. Oh, these are just gonna look so pretty on the shelf. Wow. Like, oh my gosh, stop. Look how beautiful they look on the shelf. Oh, wow. That's beautiful.
Okay, maybe next to something a little more basic, let's do an Amazon box.
Again, claws come in handy.
Oh, yay!
Okay, so I got some hair. This is literally unbelievable. Okay, so I'm actually obsessed with this hair. These are just straight up clip-in hair extensions. This is actually synthetic hair. It's not even real human hair, but look at how nice it looks. It literally looks so shiny and gorgeous. It's like so soft and pretty. It comes with 4 pieces. We got this piece, and then these 2 little shorter pieces. And when I tell you I am obsessed with these, watch this.
Like, you're actually not gonna believe this. Are you ready? Okay, ta-da! So this is my hair, no extensions. This is just what my hair looks like. Kind of stringy, I know, but literally watch this. I'm literally just gonna clip these in. I'm doing this in the living room, so I have no mirror, so just go with it. Put one on the side there. Like, bro, are you seeing this? I mean, look at that, literally gave me instant layers. Oh! It looks like I just got a professional blowout.
And like, look at when you run your hands through it. Woo, freaking $26. Unbelievable. The sheer amount of Amazon boxes that I get delivered to my house every day. Pretty sure I know what this is. Look at them all, baby. We got so many. Hi, I love you. Okay, let's open them. Oh, this is hilarious, the sheer amount of them I got. So I couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I got a bunch of different colors.
Hello, which one do you like? Excuse me, honey, you can't just walk in the hall like that. You're getting in the way.
Okay, so this is the first one. I think this should be pretty cute. It's got the faux fur on there. It kind of looks like a little dress, which is really what I've been looking for. All right, let's try it. Like, okay, bye. This is so cute. It's like a little dress. Wow. Oh, this is giving fashion. I feel like a little Russian princess. It's always my fantasy, even when I go somewhere cold, to not really wear anything because, I mean, that's just cuter. As you know, a hoe never gets cold.
Let's try the other colors.
Okay, this one's a little shorter for some reason. I think it's because I got a different brand in this color, but also adorable. I think I'm gonna have to add some extra white fur to the bottom because this is, oh, this is just really short, even for me. But oh yes, the Winter Wonderland vibes. Oh, so cute! Again, this one is way too short. I need to wear like some tights and a skirt under it. But hello? Oh, we love it. This little hat I got on Amazon too, isn't this fun? These are actually some cuffs I also got on Amazon. Literally, look at that. This is just like an ankle boot, but when you put the little cuffs on it, voila, they're fuzzy boots, which is super cool, kind of ravey. Literally a Bratz doll outfit. If you're gonna get this jacket, I would recommend sizing up because this is a small and it's like, even on me, very small. What else we get? Oh, I'm so excited. So this is my Care Of subscription box. I knew I was getting this in the mail today, but this is basically a subscription service that ships like personalized vitamins, supplements, and powders to your door once a month.
So excited for Kara to be sponsoring this video. I love you guys. But anyways,
like you can see, look how cute. We got all my little dietary supplements in here. Hi, Amber. And they have quotes on them. They have a little quiz that you can take that just makes everything super personalized.
super tailored to you and whatever it is that you need and want.
Like you can see here, all of the things in my little container. Zinc, B12, vitamin D, all sorts of good stuff for you. I always just take everything with my coffee in the morning.
Just makes me feel so energized, you know, like I'm taking care of myself. Gives me that little extra kick.
Everything you need to feel fabulous every month.
Like, how cute is this? Look at that. Made for Amber. We love it. It just, you know, super convenient. And
it's really nice to feel like you're taking care of yourself, you know? You can switch it up every month too to like keep evolving with your goals because, you know, we're dynamic human beings. A huge shout out to Care of for sponsoring this video. I love you guys. And if you guys want to try it out too, you guys can take the quiz and use my code below for 50% off your first order. Happy self-care. All right, let's see. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, work. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. This is super nice quality too. This is like the real Versace silk Baroque print. Wow. Look at that. It's got the tag. It's got everything. This is a kid's 10. Like I said, I'm always buying kids' clothes. Well, let's try it on. Like, look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh, it's fabulous. The little like swing style of it. You got the Baroque pattern on here. And with the shoes and the bag. Woo! Literally so cute. All right, let's see what's in here. Hey, 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 all right, another kids' clothes purchase. This is cute. This is Burberry. You can see it's got the official little buttons on it. I just wanted to try a slightly different style than the one that I bought in the other video. What size did I get? I forgot. Oh yeah, this one is also a kid's 12. So let's try that on too. Wow, and hilarious news, this is big on me. I think I probably need a 10 or an 8, but you know, when I have this altered, it's gonna be so cute. Ta-da! All right, so we got these two little puffy skirts. They kind of look like nothing just sitting here, but I was obsessed with this Dior outfit and I always wanted to recreate it, so we'll see. Hey, hey! Oh, it obviously helps that I have the real Christian Dior like underwear thing, but look at that. Honestly, for the skirt being literally $20, I'd say that's pretty damn close. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, actually, I think I know. Okay, my nails can't get through this. I'm gonna have to get some scissors. Wow, oh my gosh. This is so cool. Look at the gorgeous teal blue. It is so pretty. Such a rare color scheme too. Do you see with the rose gold? By the way, if this bag looks really familiar to you, yes, I did buy one that basically looked exactly the same a while ago, but it is different. I ended up selling it on Poshmark. Like, I don't know why I did that, to be honest. It was actually really sad and I missed it daily. So I hunted around for the same one and I found this. Spice it. Oh, such a look. Okay, I'm not selling this time. You just watching me out there? Hi, are you enjoying the fashion show? Mommy loves you. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. Look at how beautiful. Are you ready? Wow. Do you guys see how gorgeous that is? Oh my gosh. Look at the stone. Oh, it's so beautiful. Like, okay, wow. This is the ring that I've been wearing the whole video, but I just got these in. I am literally obsessed with them. They're new 333,
made to look like the classic Tiffany style solitaires, but instead of, you know, 100-something thousand, they're only 100-something bucks.
I've been wearing this like all week and people keep stopping me and being like, oh my God. And I'm like, yeah. Congratulations to myself for nothing. Wow, look at that with the blue box. Okay. And, oh my gosh, this is the most coordinated haul of my life. That's beautiful. While I'm on the 333 jewelry train, did you notice my gorgeous necklace that I'm wearing? Okay, so this you kind of already saw open, but how cute are the new boxes that I got? They're like kind of like hearts. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at this. So beautiful. You can see the emerald is literally not like a regular fake emerald. This is literally made to look exactly like the real thing. You see it has the little imperfections in it just to make it look even that much more real. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Also, last but not least on the 333 train, if you're not into, you know, the like super luxe fancy stuff, I also have these super cute little clover necklaces I just got in. I'm obsessed with those too. They're like cute little like lucky clover drop necklaces. So happy shopping, enjoy. This is literally, like I said, y'all know this is my passion project. So I'm just like really vibing right now. All right, back to unboxing. Let's see, what else did we got here? Let's see. Oh, this is fun. Stop, look how cute. Oh my goodness. Such a fun little PR pack. These are beautiful, very aesthetic. I think this is blush. That's nice. Okay, cute. Package smells amazing, by the way. Okay, work. What else we got? Okay, cute. Thanks, Too Faced. PR lists are so fun. You get so much cute stuff. Hi, baby. You come to help me? Thank you. Oh, okay. We got a sweater, which seems basic, but are you ready? Whoosh. Oh, do you guys see that? Look at how fluffy and soft. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm so excited for this. This is literally the softest sweater in the world. Oh, hell yeah, baby. That's fashion. You know, I'm like obsessed with wearing these giant sweaters. When I'm not in a ball gown, y'all know I dress like this. So this is fabulous. Keep you warm and soft. Wow, I'm gonna get this in every color. Okay, great. What's this? Oh my gosh, this is gonna be amazing. I literally bought this because I saw an ad. There's literally like a pouch for George. We have to try this on. Oh, this is the funniest thing I've ever seen. George, you look so cute in there. Do you like it? Oh, I think he loves it. You are vibing in there, little baby. I love you. Okay, yep. Well, amazing purchase. I guess this is what being a kangaroo is like. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, exciting. Okay, so I got these on Poshmark. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, why aren't they in the back? Okay, fine, whatever. Let's see. Oh, wow. It came with the little dust bag and everything. Okay. These are literally so cute. These are the Louboutin Samatrice sandals. I actually always wanted these and never bought them. They're not in like mint condition, but that's fine. I'm gonna wear them anyway. So these are great. Look at that. They're like the little Greek god heels. Oh my gosh. Oh, you already know my Achilles heel is shopping and buying shoes, so it seems appropriate. Oh, wow. These are fire. All right, fashion show time. Literally so Greek goddess.
You love mommy's shoes. You're so good.
Fly like a bird, gonna fly away. Oh God. Okay. Anyways. Okay, so I admit I got super carried away with the hair. We got all sorts of different kinds. We'll try them all on, but I got this wavy one. You can see this one's like, I don't know, kind of like that Kim K hair looking thing that I thought I'd get. This one's a halo, so the kind that like drape around your head. We'll see. I also got clip-in wavy ones, so we'll try those out. This one that comes with the little clip, it's a ponytail, so we'll see the vibes of this. Okay, we'll do another hair tutorial. Ta-da. All right, let's try the wavy ones. I don't know how this is gonna look because my hair is not wavy at the moment. Hey, okay, you know, I think if I actually like took the time to style this could be kind of cool. All right, let's see this clippy one. Put our hair up for this. From what I can tell, you literally just like clip this over your ponytail. Okay, that's a lot of hair, but also red carpet. You know, again, I think if I actually took the time to like make this look good, this would look really cool. Wow, it's like oh, get it? A literal, I was gonna say it looks like a horsehair. Literally like a ponytail. Haha. Language, okay. Oh yes, to go with the hair, we got some headbands. I literally am obsessed with headbands, so these are great. Nice neutral colors, you know? Oh, this is such a normal thing to get in the mail. I actually forgot I ordered this, but yeah, on the fake hair train, I also thought it would be fun to get some clip-in bangs. I used to have some that I wore a while ago. Oh God, this looks iconic. Okay, so I admit they're like sticking out really weird because I didn't style them. But you know, if I actually like flat ironed them and made them look cool, they would look kind of cool. For now, I look like I have a wild ass mullet looking thing, but you know, So happy we found each other. Oh, me too. Got some matcha. I've been dying to try these little thingies. I don't know if they work, but we will find out. All right, let's try this. All right, we got some soy milk here. We got some powder. I'm trying to stop going to Starbucks literally every day, so let's see if this tastes good. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. Oh, it's a good mixer. Okay. I accidentally put way too much cinnamon on it, but I mean, not bad. All right, let's see. What's in the Amazon box? Did you see that? This is what my claw nails are for. OMG, stop. This is actually hilarious. I got these. This is hilarious. I actually got these for a gift for one of my girlfriends who's getting married. Her bachelorette party is next weekend. Congratulations, Claire and Danny. I love you. Don't watch this video. Okay. Yes! I got a wig. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Oh, you like it?
Okay, so glamorous. This is actually the same wig that I wore in my Ariel video. I've actually been so into the concept of dyeing my hair red lately. I just thought I would get another.
Like, oh my gosh, the red, the green, it's so Christmassy festive, but I love having red hair.
Red hot, get it?
I literally want to dye my hair red so badly. What do you guys think? Such a badass.
And that's what I bought so far this year, as of January 7th when I filmed this. I love you guys. Kisses till next time. XO. Wow, with the red hair and everything, this really do be Confessions of a Shopaholic.